Welcome to Car Care Coaches. We're excited to have your interest and hope you can grow your car detailing knowledge with us. We've designed our online courses to act as a resource to supplement your very own hands-on practical experience. We've split our online courses into two streams: the Car Care Enthusiast and the Professional. The Car Care Enthusiast is designed to offer a beginner's guide to the world of car care. In this series you will learn the basics, which includes how to hand wash your vehicle, how to complete a basic interior detail, the differences between polishing, wax, paint sealant and ceramic coatings. Finally, learn how to apply basic paint protection to your vehicle. The Professional is a series of 3 graduated levels of training, designed for anyone seeking to make a living as a professional car detailer. Our 3 levels consist of the Detailer, Pro Detailer and Master Detailer training courses. The Detailer course is designed for an entry-level job position, think lot attendant or car washer. Areas covered include car detailing as a service overview, specific task breakdown for both exterior and interior car detailing. The Pro Detailer course is designed for a senior level job position, think senior detailer, and requires the completion of the Detailer course as prerequisite. Areas covered include differences between paint protection options, how to prepare and apply paint protection, how to complete a single stage polish and mistakes to avoid. Lastly, the Master Detailer course is designed for a management job position, think detail department manager, and requires the completion of both the Detailer and Pro Detailer course as prerequisite. Areas covered include different paint correction options, how to properly select compound and polishing pads, customer service insight, measuring shop productivity and efficiency.